Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, The TechSort, where we provide you information and relative stuff to technology. TechSort is the organization with the motto Creativity Empowered by Knowledge. Our topic of discussion for this video is related to artificial intelligence. When it comes to this field, a question arises. Are machines smarter than humans? Can one day machine take our place? How much a human rely on them? Let's take this question in myth versus reality condition and start our discussion by a brief intro of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? The term and technology start officially in 1956 in America. Artificial intelligence is the stimulation of human intelligence processed by machine, especially computer system. Let's discuss the reason why we consider these questions a myth. Starting with the ancient Greek myths and legends, historians discovered that in the Middle Age, human first invented a self-moving device based on artificial intelligence. And by the word of Adrian Mayer, this artificial intelligence concept is 2700 years old. But nowadays it is again revived by the famous personalities. Stephen Hawking is the first man that comes to our mind, who said AI is the end of human civilization, but his own ability to communicate those ideas come to depend on basic AI technology. Elon Musk, who said that AI will be smarter than human in less than 5-year time frame, and he become able to say that by working in AI in his very own Tesla. And the last one, Ray Carnival, a futurist who is known for his prediction in the field of science, and he said, "The future is better than you think." All the three ideologies is based on science fiction imagination. Elon Musk himself said AI could be the worst event in the history of human civilization. And meanwhile, he is also investing a lot of his time and money in making his Tesla AI more smarter than human. The threat that AI will cause to us are many. The one of immediate threat or risk is job automation. Job automation is a major threat to human, mostly the labor part of our society, and robots are replacing human for its speed, accuracy and volume. And the title of the book Driver in Driverless Car become true one day. But on other hand, automation leads to the better productivity and increased profit margin. Human laborers need to go ahead of technology by developing human skills. But in humans, there are limits which cannot be suppressed. Privacy, security and risk of deepfakes. Use of AI in wrong hands cause a digital security threat like hacking information of criminals, physical security threats like manipulating weapon drones, and political security threats like running disinformation campaigns. And same goes for so-called deepfakes, which are videos and audios created to manipulate others using machine learning, a subset of AI. This is the major threat to many well-known personalities, auto weapons and potential AI arms race. Elon Musk said AI is dangerous than nuclear weapons. What if AI decided to launch nuclear weapon against human, or someone manipulate data to return AI guided missile where they come? Both are possibilities, and unlike of nuclear weapons, their raw materials will obtain more easily, and once AI arms race started, they will be available in black market and in the hands of terrorists. Conclusion of the discussion is AI is dangerous to human being is not a myth. It's a reality if it based on science fiction or fall into the wrong hands like terrorists, serial killers. AI should be based on realistic, calculated, and confirmed experiments with empirical observation. This conclusion is my point of view. Do let me know yours in comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting discussions. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram,